Innovation Services, servicing your air conditioning, heating, and air quality needs. We service all makes and models, Lennox, Rheem, Carrier, Amana, and many more. We stand by our work and offer a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Call us at 214-379-0505. Innovation Services, we are here to serve you. Our customer service is second to none. One call is all it takes. Call us at 214-379-0505. We service residential and light commercial. We are fully licensed and insured. Innovation Services, introducing tomorrow today. Give us a call at 214-379-0505. Like us on Facebook at Innovation Services.